Goddamn hell, 1,000 watts. Shame on the mess. I know you don't do that shit, Brown. You keep that son of a bitch and no matter where you're at. Hey, Bobcat, somebody should tell him 1,000 watts nowadays ain't nothing. You'll spike the mic no matter where the hell you at. Hey, Brown, I know you'll spike that goddamn mic no matter where the hell you at. Never mind 1,000 watts.
Happy Hump Day, baby.
358 Bobcat. 358 Bobcat. Mr. Brown got down. Bobcat, Bobcat, Bobcat.
See the clarity this morning.
Chopping down big trees, just spiking the mic. Chopping down big trees on top of Crunch's head. Get that low wave off the hill with that 1,000 watts. Get him off the hill with 1,000 watts. We can do 1,000 watts. Look where you gotta go. I ain't running 1,000 watts. I'm not running 1,000 watts. Hey, 4, I'm not running 1,000 watts. This is a barefoot radio. A barefoot radio. Don't hit the player. 358 Bobcat in the Mobile. In the Mobile. Got a radio with 8 MOSFETs in it. Breaker 19. Radio check. And you gotta go way up on top of Eagle Rock just to be heard. Shame on the mess. I ain't on top of Eagle Rock, 4. Hey, 4, I ain't on top of Eagle Rock. I don't know why you're so upset, but this is just a barefoot radio, 4. I don't know why you're so upset about a barefoot radio, but, you know, this is just a radio, man. There's no box behind it. I don't got 4 batteries. I don't got a high-amp alternator. This is a barefoot radio, man. That's all it is.
See, Brown, it's Mobile getting down. Break it.
358 Bobcat, just keying up. That's all I'm doing, man. Just keying up. A lot of people, a lot of haters out there, man. A lot of haters.
Telling stories again.
358 Bobcat, a lot of haters out there, man. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, man? A lot of rotten apples on the tree. A lot of rotten apples on the tree, man. What are you gonna do about those rotten apples, man? What are you gonna do about them? You go out there and find a good group of apples. Find a good group of apples, the good ones. 358 Bobcat, just chopping down big trees, land on
Radio cut off, radio cut off, radio
land on top of front, 1,000 watts. Shame on the mess. 1,000 watts, man, 1,000 watts. This guy's out here with 1,000 goddamn watts.
radio cut off, radio cut off.
1,000 watts on top of a hill in North Bergen. Shame on the mess. Nothing better to do. Nothing better to do. Thumbs down. That's a big thumbs down for nothing better to do. A big thumbs down.
That's funny, man. What are you doing?
That's a big thumbs down for nothing better to do. A big thumbs down.
You on front?
That's a thumbs down right there. Got down. I let these guys talk. 358 gonna be on the side. You guys do your thing out here. I'll be on the side.
You're gonna let us talk.
Breaker 1.
Stop laughing, number 4. Stop laughing. Go down in the valley. Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, right back. I said good morning, right back. I don't know where you're at out there, but morning time wave, Bobcat, big wave.
Good morning, right back. Number 4. Congratulations, another trip to the Big Apple. Top of the morning, Silver Surf.
Chopping down. Chopping down big trees out there. Where's that pistol at? Where's pistol at?
Now, wait a minute. You was doing all right.
Hey.
You was doing all right. Don't be calling that dude out here. Oh, just come out the tunnel, man. Here come that Brian Hornet. Test 1, 2, test 1, 2, test 1, 2. Here come that Brian Hornet, me and this hot top Chevy. You think the car's talking, wait till I finish with this van. If you think that car's talking, you wait till I finish with this van. This is just a starter kit, old Brown, only getting down.
Hey, Brown, show those mud ducks how to do it. Hey, Brown, show those mud ducks how to do it. Hey, Brown, show those mud ducks how to do it. Brown got down. Now that's a real radio right there, Mr. Brown Hornet right there. Pay attention. That's a real radio right there, Mr. Brown. Pay attention. Hey man, I'm not looking for friends out here. I got them. I'm not looking for friends. You should check the video gate. You should listen to the video
See
gate.
on frequency how Mikey's eating right through it.
The video gate's nothing better to do. Bad company, Mr. Bad Company. You're talking to Bad Company. The only club.
Eat 'em up, transmit.
See, I told you, Bobcat. I told you not to do that. And see what you did?
I stepped on you the first time you tried to say something.
I don't watch your videos because you're a bullshit.
Yeah, spike the mic on him, Brown. Spike the mic on that low life. Spike the mic on that low life. Spike it. Show him how to do it, man. Show him how to do it.
This is how we do it.
Man, terrible state of affair right there, son of a bitch. Tell him out there, Brown. If you're going to be a big dog, you got to go to the key down. If you want to be a big dog, you got to go to the key down. Tell him.
Be a big dog, yeah, go on top.
Hey, Brown, tell them if they want to be a big dog, they got to go to the key down. Hey, Brown, if they want to be a big dog, they got to go to the key down and do it by the book. Brown got down. Bobcat. Man, you guys pissed off about a barefoot ranger? Terrible state of affair right there. Terrible state of affair. Terrible. You keep on doing what you're doing, Brown. Hey, Brown Hornet, you keep on doing what you're doing. 358, Mr. Brown got down. Breaker 19999. Breaker 19 radio check. I appreciate that, man. You better go make your rounds. You better go make your rounds. You better go make your rounds. Big thumb down for nothing better to do, a.k.a. A big thumb down for a.k.a. nothing better to do. Crunch, 1,000 watts. Fucking 1,000 watts. You laugh my ass off. 1,000 watts.
What are you laughing at? You gotta go on top of Eagle and get it done. Shame on the mess.
Breaker 19, radio check. What the hell you gonna do with 1,000 watts and you ain't going no key down? What the hell you doing with 1,000 watts if you don't go to a key down, man? What the hell you do with all those damn watts if you don't go to a key down? You gotta go down to a key down with the big dogs, man. If you're gonna be a big dog, you gotta go down where the big dogs play like Brown Hornet. That's what you gotta do. I heard that, Jeremiah. Tell him, man, if you're gonna act like a big dog, you gotta go to the big dog key down. If you're gonna act like
you gotta be a big dog, you gotta go on top of Eagle Rock like Bobcat.
Brown Hornet.
You gotta run on top of Eagle Rock like Bobcat. Shame on the mess.
I don't see you going down to no key downs, Crunch. Why is that? Why don't you go to the key down and see and show them what you got? Why don't you do that? Why is that?
Well, you up on the rock running your fucking mouth like you got something. Shut up.
Why
Clarity.
Why doesn't he go down there, man, if he's so big into this whole CB radio thing? Why doesn't he do that? Why not? He likes to bother people with barefoot radio. He likes to bother people with barefoot radio. That's the only thing he can step to. That's the only thing he can step to is a person with a barefoot radio. Terrible state of affair right there. Terrible.
A barefoot radio is a Cobra 29, not a Razor.
That's the only thing he can step to is a barefoot radio. That's the only.
He's suffering from 2-5 blowitis. Leave him alone.
You ain't stepping a Brown Hornet. I know that. That's for goddamn.
That's like me and my 5-watt radio. How do I do it? How do I do it?
Go make your rounds, man. Go make your rounds out there. Go make your rounds with your 1,000 watts stepping to a barefoot radio. That's all you can do is go to a barefoot radio. You ain't going to no key down. What's that say? What does that say when you won't go to a key down with 1,000 watt, but you'll try to key on a barefoot radio? What's that tell you? What the hell does that tell you guys? Terrible situation right there. Brown Hornet got down.
I got a radio with 8 lost that thing. It's fucking barefoot, you bullshitter. Shut up.
Terrible situation right there, 19. That's a terrible situation. I know if I'm going to put 1,000 watts in this mobile, you can bet your ass I'm going to go to the key down and give it all I got. You can bet your ass. But I'll tell you what, I ain't going to try to key on someone with a barefoot radio. I ain't going to step down to that level. I ain't going to step down to the level and try to key on a barefoot radio. Shame on the mess.
Well, you know who his idol is. He's a bullshitter, too.
Look how hard these guys are trying, man. Look how hard these guys are trying. You hear this out here? You hear this out here? Look how pissed off these guys are. Listen to this. A barefoot radio gets them that mad. A barefoot radio gets them that mad. Terrible situation.
It ain't barefoot, dumbass. It ain't barefoot.
Terrible situation. All right, I'm going to shut this thing down. 3585 Cat. You guys enjoy your day. Lake Placid, New York. Adirondack Mountains got down. I'm telling them, man. I'm telling them, a lot of haters out here, but I'm waving a hand to you guys, the good guys, the good guys. Bobcat, Big Wave.
Shut up, hurry up and post that damn video gate.
There you go, pistol, hey, pistol. Bang, 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 bang. Pistol, bang, bang.
That's right, a pistol goes bang.
Hey, you can't even fucking make it the pistol grip skate. You can't even fucking make it the pistol grip skate with 1,000 watts.
Ah, the pleasures of being on frequency. The clarity. They eat 'em up.
He can't even fucking make it to Brooklyn, New York with 1,000 watts. He can't even make it to fucking Brooklyn with 1,000 watts. Fucking Captain better to do 1,000 watts.
That's right.
Can't even make it to fucking Brooklyn. Can't even fucking make it to Brooklyn, New York with 1,000 watts. You can't even make it to Brooklyn with a fucking 1,000 watts, man. 1,000 watts and you can't even fucking make it to Brooklyn.
You mean he got a KW and C caucus and can't put it in the Brooklyn, New York City morning show video gate? Shame on that mess.
That's telling the truth. They tell that fucking guy out there with 1,000 watts, he can't even make it to your gate. Tell him he can't even make it to your gate with 1,000 watts.
I hope he got a gate rolling. I hope he got the gate rolling.
Can't even make it to fucking Brooklyn, dude. You can't even make it to Brooklyn with your fucking setup. A fucking 1,000 watt setup, and you can't even make it to Brooklyn. How far is that? 10 miles? 10 miles? 10 miles from Brooklyn to see Caucus, and you got 1,000 watts and you can't even do it? What the fuck's that say? Terrible situation, Pistol. Hey, Pistol. A fucking barefoot radio is stepping on 1,000 watts. 1,000 watts, a barefoot Ranger. Key down. That's what you gotta do. You gotta go to the key down. Don't worry about my barefoot Ranger. You gotta go to a fucking key down, Mr. Big Boy. You gotta go to the key down. If you're gonna be a big boy with 1,000 watts, you gotta go to a fucking key down. Don't try to step to a person with a barefoot radio, because that's all you can do.
What a moron. You need to get down on the caffeine a little bit.
Nobody's wild up. Just speaking the truth, man. Just speaking the truth. One day you'll go to a fucking key down and then the big boys will show you how it's done. One day you'll go to a key down and the big boys will show you how it's done.
You want me to go where everybody else's stuff is good, your stuff is crap.
Terrible situation right there. A barefoot radio. A barefoot radio. A barefoot. Double the watts and can't even make it to Brooklyn. Double the watts and can't even make it to Brooklyn. Double the watts. Good morning out there, preacher man, preacher man, preacher man, preacher man. Hey, preacher man, Bobcat, morning time wave. 358 Bobcat, morning time wave. 358 Bobcat, morning time wave. Barefoot Ranger got down. Listen to this fucking clown. Nothing better to do. I know damn well you ain't gonna try to key on Brown. I know damn well you ain't gonna try to key down on Brown. That's for damn sure. But he'll try to key on a barefoot Ranger. He'll try to do that because that's all he can do. That's all he can do. You got that right, driver. You got that right. And you know the funny thing is, you're still trying to step on with your 1,000 watts. You're still trying to step on me with your 1,000 watts. Why would you even waste your time? Why would you waste your time if you're a big dog out here with 1,000 watts? Why would you waste your time?
Same reason you got to go up on the hill.
Chopping down big trees, landing on front. Chopping down big trees, landing on front. Chopping down big trees, landing on nothing better to do. Nothing better to do. Yeah, I hear you on that, driver. You want to key down, man, you got to go down to the key down. If you want to key down, you got to go to the key down like Brown Hornet. You got to go to the key down like Brown Hornet. This fucking guy hasn't gone to a fucking key down ever. This fucking guy never went to a fucking key down. Where's the video of you going to a key down? Where's the video of you going down to a key down when you've been out here for how many years? How many years you been out here and how many fucking key downs have you been to? How many key downs?
How many key downs you been to?
Exactly. Exactly my fucking point with this clown. Exactly my fucking point. Guy's got 1,000 watts and he won't even go to a key down. But he'll fucking try to key up on a barefoot Ranger. Terrible situation. Bobcat holding his ground. Bobcat holding his ground, got down.
Off with his head, off with his head.
Terrible situation, man, with this clown. Terrible situation, man. You gotta go make your rounds, man. You're gonna get fired. You're gonna get yourself in trouble. Go make your rounds. You gotta go make your rounds, man. Go make your rounds.
All right. I want to wave the hand to my friend Brown Hornet. Yankee boy. John Schiff. Yankee boy. Brown Hornet. 613. Richie Sound King. Everybody on the band, preacher man, waving a hand. God bless. Have a safe day.
Bobcat, big wave, preacher man. Bobcat, big wave, preacher man. Bobcat, preacher man. Bobcat, preacher man. Morning time wave.
Also, my friend Bobcat, sounding very powerful out there. Unstoppable with that sound. You sound great. And everybody on the band, have a safe day. Pleasure, preacher man, waving a hand.
Take care, preacher man. 613, 613. Bye-bye.
Let's go use it for you radio, preacher man. You got it, guys. 613, I copy you. Have a great day. Be safe.
Take care, preacher man. Your friend. Bye-bye. Yeah, I got a copy. Who's out there? I got a copy. Off with his head. Off with his head. Catch you guys later. Catch you guys later. Baba Booey. Baba Booey. Fucking guy has nothing better to do. Baba Booey. Baba Booey. Off with his head. Off with his head. In the air. Nothing better to do. 1,000 watts. That's a fucking laugh and a half. Baba Booey. Baba Booey. Baba Booey. Baba Booey, Baba Booey. Dude, you have a fucking 1,000 watts to say Baba Booey, Baba Booey. Heidi ho, Heidi ho, Heidi ho. The fuck is that? Big dogs with 1,000 watts. I know damn well they wouldn't go to a key down. I know damn well they wouldn't go to the key down like you.
Don't put me. I ain't not doing 1,000 watts. I'm doing 300 watts. Bring out.
He's got flip-flops. Fucking guy's got 1,000 watts, but go off with his head, off with his head, off with his head. Barefoot Ranger. Fucking guy's got 1,000 watts, won't go to a key down, but he'll try to key up on a Barefoot Ranger. What the fuck does that say? We got you in the box, 2000. Hey, 2000, we hear you out there, man. Good morning to you. I appreciate the loyalty and the honesty. I appreciate the honesty and the loyalty. 200358 morning time wave G. I appreciate that. appreciate the flowers. You're sounding damn good yourself. Sounding damn good yourself with that Magnum. Keep on doing what you're doing. You enjoy your day and enjoy the weekend coming up. 2000 Bobcat, big wave got down. I'm going to put you on the gate, Iron Man. 358 Bobcat YouTube. 358 Bobcat YouTube. Go check it out. Iron Man 2000 Westchester County got down.
Bobcat is controlling the airwaves. Sounding amazing, my friend Bobcat.
Bobcat, get here. Preacher man, a lot of haters out there.
Radio cut off,
But I'll tell you what, I know for one thing, there's a lot more good guys out here than haters. There's a lot more good guys out here than haters, so that's the good thing.
Don't entertain the haters. They want to be or sound like you. That's right. You pray for them and wish them all the best. This way they don't become haters anymore.
You couldn't have said it any better. You couldn't have said it any better.
Get real, preacher man. Get real. Get real, preacher man. Good morning to you too. God bless. Many blessings to you and the family. May no harm come to you and your family. Many blessings, preacher man. Waving a hand. My friend Brown Hornet, I don't know where he is this morning. Good morning to you. Safe travels. Where is everybody? Brown Hornet talking to you right now, preacher. Pay attention. Where is he? He must be in the Bronx today. He's over in Jersey City making his way this way. I got you. Okay, Brown Hornet. Be safe, my friend. Have a great day, buddy. Pickup truck on the way. Preacher man, I'll see you. I haven't heard John Shaft in a few days, and also Yankee Boy. I haven't heard them. I hope they're okay. It's good. Ain't nothing wrong with them. All right, send them my regards. Test 1 2. This is a test of a Brown Hornet broadcasting station. Your Brown Hornet hot top Chevy right here in Jersey City, New Jersey. Bring it. My friend Brown Hornet, I call and he comes. The almighty, my friend Brown Hornet. God bless, preacher man, waving a hand. Right back, preacher. I was in the dead spot, man. I heard you talking, man. I was trying to get it back, but I might have been in the dead spot. I'm not no dead spot. Spot no more. Good morning, preacher man. Brown Hornet right there. Bring it. You got it, my friend. Be safe. Pleasure. Me and this hot top Chevy, these 4 peels, this Galaxy DX929 is getting down. Sure do. Sounding real good coming out of Westchester County, man. Right here in Jersey City, man. Sounding real good. Come on down with it, Bray. Good morning, John Shaft. I'm Brown Hornet. I'm sorry. Good morning, Brown Hornet. pill in my galaxy. That's all I got, man. No doubt about it. Good morning time to you. Oh, Brown, the one right here cruising in Jersey City, trying to get to the big house. Down.
Waving a hand right back, 2000 Iron Man. Waving a hand right back, Iron Man, Bobcat, big wave. Brown, hey Brown, a lot of haters, but there's more good guys, Brown. There's more good guys than bad guys, Brown. Bobcat got down.
Hey Bob, remember this, man. And I know from personal experience, brother. When you got haters out there, that means you're doing something right. Bobcat, when you got haters out there, that means you're doing something right or you're doing something that they envy or jealous of. Always remember that. Because there's always going to be a hater that always is jealous or envies you. That's just the way it goes down. It's just part of life, right?
That's for goddamn sure, Brown. You couldn't have said it any better, and you're a leader out here for goddamn sure. You ain't no follower. Mr. Brown Hornet got down.
I ain't no leader. I just be me. Hey, Bobcat, I'm not a leader. I just be me, man. I stick my grounds and do what I want to do when I want to do it, man. I'm not a leader. I just be me. That's it. Enjoy my radio and don't let nobody bother me.
I appreciate that, Brown. I appreciate that. Some mud duck trying to key up when we're on the key. Some mud duck trying to key up when we're talking.
Well, follow through. They stop well, they not stop. Because when I stop listening talking, ain't nobody stopping from talking but me.
You got that right, man. Loud and clear. Ain't nobody stopping you. That's for damn sure. I don't care if you got a 4-pill or what. You sound loud and proud. Keep on doing what you're doing. Good morning out there, 1212. I said good morning out there, Mr. 1212. Morning time wave 12. I hear you on that, man. I hear you on that. We've all been down that road, right? We've all been down that road, all of us. It sure hell is a bumpy road, but we can keep the rubber on the road, that's for damn sure. It sure is a bumpy road, but we can keep the road, we can keep the tires on the goddamn road. Don't you worry about that, 12. 12. Yeah, well, somebody should tell them they're wasting their time. Somebody should tell them. I'm glad it's you. I'm glad it's coming from you and not me because they ain't gonna believe me. They ain't gonna believe me. Maybe they'll believe you.
Bling, bling.
right there, Brown. You have a nice day. 1212, Preacher Man, Iron Man 2000, 358 Bobcat. You guys enjoy your day. We'll talk to you another time.
Enjoy your day, my friend. Hey, yo, Brown, honey, right here, getting down, baby. You on the 613, that Barefoot Radio? 613, that Barefoot Radio, Brown, honey, got down.
Yeah, he's trying to get it back to you, Brown. He must be way out there. I got him very low, too.
I thought you were going upstairs when I went to make breakfast.
Pistol. Waving a hand out there, Pistol, Grim. Waving it, Pistol.
Me and the stock Mike Bearcat 980 getting on down.
Hey, maybe you can give me a few pointers, Pistol, because I know you got to be the king of this. How do you deal with these haters out here? How do you deal with the bad apple motherfuckers? Pistol, go.
I just tell them directly on the mic and directly in their eye, player haters can't do me nada.
Sure, that's the right one, nigga.
You got that right.
What you talking about, Willis? Get out my noise, man.
Hey, one thing about Pistol, man. One thing about Pistol, he don't let nobody get to him. He does his own thing, Brown, and keep on trucking. Key up that mic no matter where the hell he is or what he's got. Pistol got down.
Ain't nobody said it better than Eddie Kendricks. Ain't nobody said it better than Eddie Kendricks. Just for the record, happy hump day, you bunch of humps. And we are in the 39-minute zone. The Sound King, the right kind of sinner.
The right kind of sinner. I hear that shit.
I'm the right kind of sinner to release that inner fantasy. Did you see John Boy's 2 gates from yesterday and the day before? Wow, you see John Boy's gates? Where you going, to the tunnel, Bobcat? Alright. I'll get you in a minute.